Jumriapsu everyone, my name is Hein Chan Sungwapich, but you can call me Sep. I am a Khmer tutor from Cambodia. I have been teaching Khmer for over 1 year right now, and I have worked with students came from with many different countries and also background. During this time, I have helped learners achieve a wide range of goals, from a basic communications to more advanced speaking and listening skill. Are you learning Khmer because you have Cambodia partner, Cambodia friends, want to travel in Cambodia, do business here, or simply want to learn a language for fun? If so, you are on the right place. My lesson is personalized and designed around your goal. Whether you want to improve your speaking, whether you want to improve your listening, reading, writing, pronunciations, vocabulary, grammar structure, or learn the Khmer alphabet, I can help you step by step. I also provide a conversation practice, role play activity, listening exercise, reading material, and homework for students who want extra practice outside of the class. I think that's really important. And my teaching style is friendly, flexible, relaxing, engaging, and focused on real-life Khmer conversations. No matter what your level is right now, I will create a lesson that will fit with you, fit with your goal, and help you build a confidence in Khmer. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to have you on your Khmer journey. See you in the class. Jumriap Lia.